Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How much ivermectin do you give a 50-pound dog? Reduce or increase dosage according to weight. 87 ivermectin to how dog give 1 milliliter per 10 pounds. Dosing for dogs is based 3 milligrams per kilogram once, then repeat in 14 days for skin parasites, and 0. Dogs 26 to 50 pounds, 10,000 mcg per milliliter, needing 136 mcg per dose. Can ivermectin be stored in a fridge? Ivermectin should be stored away from sunlight, heat and moisture in a tightly closed container at room temperature, or below 86 degrees Fahrenheit, 30 degrees C. Keep this and all medicines out of the reach of children. Can you use sheep drench on dogs? You can make up a 30-to-1 dilution using propylene glycol. At this dilution rate, 0.1 cc contains only 333 micrograms of ivermectin, so it is easy to dose a small dog at 0.1 cc per 10 pounds. The other option is to use the 0.08% ivermectin drench for sheep. It is the same product I use for my large dogs. Is ivermectin safe for Shih Tzu? Given at the proper doses and under the supervision of a veterinarian, ivermectin is safe for most dogs and is very effective in treating and preventing a number of parasites. In dogs who have the mutation, the drug crosses the blood-brain barrier and causes neurological damage, which can be lethal.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.